Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. With the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. My dear viewers and listeners, welcome to the second part of the story of a great Islamic hero. In the first episode, we heard about this great Islamic hero and his standard and lifestyle between the people. Now, we are going to listen about his sacrifice of a strongest relationship that was with his mother, just for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Listen what was written in the history. There's reality that his mother used to love him so much. She used to provide for him clothes and dresses like the garden flowers, elegant and fragrant. But when he accepted Islam, what happened? Listen carefully. His own mother used to take him to a rough corner of her house and shut him in it. She put shackles on him and imprisoned him there. Then he thought to himself and became able to delude his mother and his guards, and so escaped to Abyssinia. He also immigrated to Abyssinia for the second time. Means his own mother made him to immigrate from his beloved city, to say goodbye to his beloved house. And it's also written in the history, his mother had withheld from him all the luxury he had been overwhelmed by. But when she couldn't return him to her religion, she said to him goodbye, weeping. And when she said to him while turning him out of her house, "Go away, I'm not longer your mother." My listeners, imagine the pain of this sentence when your beloved one and your respected one and your attached one said to you, "I have no relationship with you, I have no attachment with you." Especially when a mother said to her son, "I'm not longer your mother," in the angry position. Which level of pain, stress and grief will you feel? But here, after listening this painful, stinging sentence from his beloved mother, he was not affected in his religion. What he said, that's amazing. He went too close to her and said, "Oh mother, I'm advising you and my heart is with you. Please bear witness that there is no God but Allah and that Muhammad is his messenger." But she didn't accept. So our great Islamic hero of this story, who is none other than Mus'ab ibn Umair radiallahu anh, one of the great companion of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he left and abandoned all the luxuries in which he had been living. He became satisfied with a hard life he had never seen before, wearing the roughest clothes, eating one day and going hungry another. We must think from where he got this kind of spirit. So listen what was written in the history. This spirit was grounded in the strongest faith, adorned with the light of Allah. At the end, in this episode, we must learn many lessons. Especially, we must learn to sacrifice the love and relationship for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We must learn to abandon all the luxuries for the religion and deen. We must try to earn the spirit of faith and belief that can make us comfortable with all kinds of difficulties in the way of Iman and truth. We must make ourselves ready to be not affected, to be not compromised in religious principles. So with these few words, I conclude today's session. Inshallah, the next part of the story will be displayed on upcoming Sunday. Thank you so much. Jazakumullah khairah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.